My Disney Stores and Friends Level 2, Unit 4, Lessons 5A and 5B. Let's play. Let's play. Let's ride. Let's ride. Let's ride. Let's fly. Let's fly. Let's fly. Let's jump. Let's jump. Inside. Inside. Outside. Outside. Let's play basketball inside. Let's play basketball inside. Let's play on the tablet inside. Let's play on the tablet inside. Let's jump rope inside. Let's jump rope inside. Let's ride a bike outside. Let's ride a bike outside. Let's fly a kite outside. Let's fly a kite outside. Let's ride a scooter outside. Let's ride a scooter outside. Great job! Goodbye!